Among natural foods, flaxseed is a powerful superfood that supports the body with its rich nutritional content and is highly valuable for health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, lignans, and various minerals, flaxseed provides numerous benefits, from heart health to digestive system support. Flaxseed supports heart health by reducing bad cholesterol with its omega-3 fatty acids, which can help prevent artery blockage and regulate blood pressure, thereby lowering the risk of heart disease. When consumed regularly, it enhances vascular flexibility, offering a protective effect against serious conditions like atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Flaxseed also has remarkably positive effects on the digestive system. Thanks to its high fiber content, it regulates bowel movements and helps prevent common digestive issues such as constipation. Additionally, it nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthier digestive system. Flaxseed is also effective in managing diabetes, as it helps balance blood sugar levels. The lignans and soluble fibers it contains enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce fluctuations in blood sugar. These properties make it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Its potential benefits in cancer prevention are also noteworthy. As one of the richest plant-based sources of lignans, flaxseed possesses antioxidant and estrogen-like properties, which may help lower the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Scientific studies suggest that regular consumption of flaxseed can reduce the likelihood of developing cancer. Flaxseed is highly beneficial for everyone, but it is especially advantageous for women. This is because it contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, as well as phytoestrogens, plant-based estrogens. These phytoestrogens have been scientifically proven to reduce the risk of breast cancer, with research on them spanning nearly 50 years. Due to this effect, flaxseed helps protect women from breast cancer and alleviates postmenopausal symptoms. As a crucial supplement for women, it aids in hormonal balance, easing menopause-related symptoms such as hot flashes and mood swings. Additionally, it helps regulate the menstrual cycle and can alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Flaxseed is also highly beneficial for those aiming to lose weight. It increases the feeling of fullness, preventing overeating. Due to its fiber content, it slows down digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and prevents sudden hunger cravings, thereby supporting healthy weight management. Supporting skin and hair health, flaxseed moisturizes the skin and gives it a healthier, more radiant appearance thanks to its omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. It may also help alleviate skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis while strengthening hair and preventing hair loss. Additionally, flaxseed is known to strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it particularly beneficial in protecting against chronic diseases. It also positively impacts liver health by aiding in the elimination of toxins, thus improving liver function. Lastly, flaxseed supports bone health. With its calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus content, it can increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. So, how should flaxseed be consumed? It should be freshly ground before consumption, because when flaxseed is pre-ground and exposed to air, its beneficial oils oxidize and deteriorate. It is best to purchase whole flax seeds and grind them just before consumption using a simple coffee grinder. Consuming flaxseed in its ground form maximizes nutrient absorption, making it more effective. A daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed can be easily incorporated into the diet by adding it to yogurt, smoothies, salads, or soups. Flaxseed offers numerous health benefits when consumed in a balanced and informed manner. However, individuals with chronic illnesses or those taking medications should consult their doctor before consuming flaxseed. When used correctly, flaxseed can be one of nature's most powerful health allies.